Hello everyone, I'm Jay Marcus from BSIT. Tonight we're gonna make a Java program to create a stack with a given capacity. Then we create our class stack. Integer top and cap. Integer A. Then integer top means our last element of our stack. Then cap means our capacity of the stack. And next we create our constructor public stack in cap. This dot cap equals cap. Then top equals -1. Then a equals new int with the element of cap. Next we create our boolean method public boolean push int x, and if top is greater or equal to cap -1, print stack overflow and return false. Next, a increment top equals x and return true. After that, we create our pop method. If top is less than 0, print stack underflow and return 0. Pop means to remove the top element or last element of our stack. Then return a top decrement. Then next we create our pick method. If top is less than 0, print stack is empty and return 0. Pick method means to view the top element without removing it. Then return a with top. Next, public boolean is empty. Then return top less than 0. And for our main method, we create stack s equals new stack 5. New stack 5 means our new capacity of our stack. And is that push 10 means we add the element 10 in our stack, and so on. And here's the result. 30 pop from stack means 30 pop from stack. The element 30 is the last element of our stack because we use the pop method or the method to remove the last element. And next, top element is 20. Why 20? Because we use the pick method. Pick method means to view the top element without removing it. And 30 is already removed because we pop the 30. And last is elements present in stack 10 and 20. And that's all. Thank you. Hope you guys learn from my video. God bless.